Let me just go ahead and say my locks are thriving, y'all, like thriving. And I'm not just talking about length. I'm also talking about how luscious they are, how I just like to keep them in their natural state, how convenient it is to maintain. I've literally been loving my loc journey. What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been a while since I made a full-length video for YouTube. I've been more into my shorts game, and also kind of shifted my focus on other social media platforms to build brand awareness. But I'm so excited to say that I'm back. And this video is going to be focused on a loc update. Oh my goodness, so much has changed during my loc journey. So let's just hop right into this video. Okay, so just a heads up, I am going to be retwisting my locs while I chat with you all, because I just gave it a fresh wash and it's time for a nice little retwist because I'm going to style it. So today is, what's today? November 23rd. And if I'm not mistaken, the last time I gave you guys a loc update was when I hit my 2-year loc anniversary. Well, right now it's actually 2 years and 7 months since I've been locked, and my oh my, has some things changed. Side note, I'm going to be using Loc'licious Lock and Twist moisturizer to retwist my locs, and also there's a full video on how I retwist my locs, which I will link above. My loc journey has taught me so much so far. One thing in particularly within these last 7 months, I would say, is that I have learned to appreciate my natural hair, the texture of my hair, the different phases that my hair goes to, and also to learn more about taking care of my hair, you know, like what works for me. I love where my locs are right now. I have gone through a few different stages. Some where I'm learning how to remove, like right now, remove lint from my locs safely, how to trim my locs when the ends get a little straggly, how to prevent product buildup, and so on. I'm learning in particularly that my locs really does not require too much maintenance. My locs thrive the best when I don't do too much to it. In particularly, I have not been doing retwists so frequently, so I've been waiting like maybe up to 6 weeks before I do a retwist. But I just been like letting my locs be, and especially now since it is winter, I have literally been keeping my locs protected for the majority of November. And with it cold, I'd rather my scalp not be too exposed. I love all the extra new growth that I've been getting with my locs. My hair overall is just very healthy, healthier. I've been trying different things and techniques and making sure that I maintain a healthy diet. I also have been back on my fitness journey, focused on working out a lot lately. Back in the gym, like I go to the gym at least 5 days out the week, which, side note, if you want to stay in the loop of my health and wellness and fitness journey, then you can follow my fitness Instagram page, Take Care. I'll leave that in the description box below. But yeah, I just been on a personal wellness journey. I feel like I had to tap into that side of my life in order for me to thrive in the other parts. I feel like I've been so focused on the external that I needed to take time to focus more so on the internal. When I began to take care of myself on a mental, emotional, spiritual level, it then balanced out to reflect that externally, if that makes sense, you know? I've been loving me. I've been loving me more and more. I've been loving the skin that I'm in. I've been appreciating all parts of me. Every element that makes me, I've been appreciating it more and more. And lastly, for this loc update, I will say that my locks have grown so much. So much. I honestly can't believe how much they've grown in this time period. There are a few things I've been doing as far as having a healthy eating diet. I take vitamins. I drink lots of water. Again, I use natural hair products on my hair. I can go into details about that in separate videos so that you guys can get the real rundown. Collectively, my locks has been growing so much. I'm about to retwist this section, but I remember when I first started my loc journey, I always said that when the front of my locks pass my chin and are like at the bottom of my neck, then in my opinion, my locks are long. And honestly, I'm at that point now and I'm so shocked because I'm only going on 3 years locked. You know, it's been growing so much. And I'm gonna reach my overall goal in no time, which is waist length, and I'm really looking forward to that. And hopefully this inspired you if you're thinking about locking up your hair. Okay, y'all, so that pretty much concludes my 2 year, 7 month loc update. I just finished retwisting my hair. As some of you should already know by now, I am also a content creator. I'm an entrepreneur. And side note, man, I've been thriving so well as a content creator this entire year, and I am extremely, extremely grateful. So much has happened for me, so many opportunities, so many doors has opened. Whew, I'm out of breath, y'all. Oh, I've been working. I'm so excited to see what 2023 has in store for me. Also, in 2023, I'm going to start taking you guys along my content creator journey and also share some tips with you all if you're interested in embarking on that type of lifestyle. Also, as always, make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. I will leave that information in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Comment the kind of content you would like to see. If you have any questions, comment that down below. If you just want to show some love, comment that down below and share this with someone else who would love to see this loc journey update. As always, thank you all so much for your continuous support. I look forward to connecting with you more and more, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.